What's up, guys? It's your boy the Corvette here, and we are just vlogging. Basically, this is gonna be just a random video I'm gonna do. I'm out with the boys here in their C7s. We're just gonna go take some photos, get some video, and then maybe go to a little car meet later today because it's Sunday. But I'm just gonna try to get a quick video for y'all. You can see the whip right here, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content. Let's check out the whips real quick. All right, y'all can see mine looking clean and shiny as ever. Sorry about the noise in the back, guys. There's a fire truck behind fueling up. But there's mine looking super clean. There's my buddies right there. And then my other buddies here. And then some more. Here's a Z06. Sick. And then the last one. So we rolling 5 strong, boys and girls. We rolling 5 strong. Let's get some of this Z06 action. Look at those wheels, bruh. And the interior, sprouting those 345 Toyos. Oh, I want some so bad. When we get boost, we'll get the Toyos. Probably 305s, 315s. We'll see how it looks. Yeah. Some more action. Oh, everybody's pulling out. We're about to go get some shots. Alright, guys, so we just got done with the photo shoot and the video shoot, so we're here. There's nowhere to park, so we're way over there. Unfortunately, we got here too late. There's a lot more cars than I thought, but there's cars everywhere. So let's just try to make some rounds, and we'll see what's all here.
Depends, right? I guess.
Big Wang Gang over there.
You have the YouTube channel, right? Where you're doing anything.
Fiber inside. Car fiber right there. Let's shifter. Red's gut.
My Tesla on the highest 300. It's over. Dude, I told you I went in CarMax. Even though it overheated, I love it.
Look at Terrence.
Yeah, dude. Like,
Dude,
I was looking at his behind mine. I'm like, bro.
Yeah, when I was driving, we drove from QT up there.
Yeah.
Mustangs, Evo.
Fucking stands.
Yeah.
Good load. That's nice. Got a nice Z01 over there, black. Couple of tuners. GTO. Got a little Dodge Neon. The intake for the headlight.
Neon SRT, right? That's normal.
One. I had AP1. Yeah, I love them, man. Yeah, I was super drunk. Yeah, but I was really that point I wanted to get mine too, but
Sound clean.
I bought it. It was a little bad.
Was that that 06?
I still want to get another one. They were talking about it. I'm a military guy. When I sold,
We got ourselves a nice Mach 1, the newer style. Looks pretty good. A couple other stuff down the line. You can just see Mustangs and I think maybe a Z01 right over there. GTO again. A C7 right here. Ooh, 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 ooh. I like the gold color. The Camaro.
I took it to
Puppy. All right, guys. So we just skipped back to the house. I drove back. We saw the show, or the little meet. It was pretty good. We saw cars. Had fun with the boys. Don't mind my hair. It's a hat hair. Anyway, guys. I'm mumbling on. Until the next video. This is the Corvette out. Y'all take it easy. Peace.